So here we have the Zephyr between Chicago and San Francisco. But I'm going to tell you up front, this is neither a Spielberg production, nor will you find any quality photos that Ansel Adams would approve. However, that said, let's take a ride. All right, here we go, beginning of the trip. I'm at Union Station in Chicago. Pretty station. The train leaves at 2 o'clock. It's about 11:30. And already made it here, of course. Flew up from Dulles last night, stayed at a hotel, so I didn't have to worry about missing the train. So now I just have to find the train. That's about all I got to report right now. And we'll see how it goes. I'm going to walk over and get some information, see if they have a lounge to hang out, and I'll be back at you. Pretty straightforward for the Zephyr anyway. So right over there to the right of me, you'll see is the services. And I just walked in there and asked a couple questions, and she gave me a pass and said, just walk right over here to my left. I'll show you that, and hang out there, and then you go right from there straight to the Zephyr. I don't even have to come back out even further to my left, is where it says to all trains. I don't have to go down and figure out any gates or anything. I just hang out in the lounge, and I get to walk right down to the train at about, I think she said 1:30. So I have plenty of time, and I'm going in and do some fun stuff and catch up on some things. But this is another angle of the train station. Here I'll show you around a little bit more of the train station while I'm here. I don't know how this is going to turn out. It'll be one of those really boring videos, but it'll be documentary. I'll try to be semi-serious most of the time.
You're going to go to room B, second open door, B4.
Second open door.
What's the last name?
Need help something? Yeah, I'll get it. Thank you. You going to be with us? Yeah. It's heavy.
Upstairs, you make another left.
Thank you. Okay, here we are. We're walking down the hallway I'm on room B. Okay, so here's my room. Here's my room for the next 3 days. I'll do a quick look around, including right here in the bathroom, where I have a shower and a toilet, sort of like a small RV, I guess. And I have some storage. I have a mirror. I don't want to confuse you who I am. This is me, not that one. Anyway, this is where we're going to be for the next 3 days. Looking forward to it. And that's about all I have to report for now, except that I'm on the train. And here we go. We're leaving the terminal. We're on our way. Just now departing from Chicago Union Station. I was trying to get a shot here inside the terminal as we go out of the terminal and all the rail tracks. This train is very tall. Here we go. We are officially on our way out of the terminal into the train tracks and snow. And I'll give you a look around the room again when it's a lot more bright like it is now. Take a look around at the bathroom, and right above me is the bed that comes down. And there is Chicago. We are on the west side of the river, I believe. Yes, the river's to my right. Train going by. Well, look who's here. Must be Ricky.
Yes, I'm Ricky. I'm the attendant for the car. Have any questions, concerns?
I'm Joe.
Joe, nice to meet you.
Those are the outlets I have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got 3 minutes. Well, here we are. We made it. Thank you all for watching, and if you take this trip, I hope you have as much fun as I did. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.